I have been missing in action for a little while, and I have a really good reason. Hey there, long time no see. My name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. Behind the scenes last year, I was negotiating a deal. We found a house in our neighborhood on our own street, bought it, moved into it. Moving across the street for this particular episode, building a new pantry in this dream house that I have finally found. If you've been around for a little while, you might have gotten the idea that I was interested in moving. I needed something a little bit more private. I wanted something with a little bit more yard. I was really looking for a walkout basement. I wanted a larger pantry. I wanted a main floor laundry. I wanted a couple of things that my current house didn't provide. This new house has everything I wanted except for the main floor laundry. And once this closet is done, it'll have the coolest pantry in the world.
That guy worked his ass off putting all this in here, but no!
Mama needs a bigger pantry. It's such a tiny spot. It's big enough for one person.
We are not media people, so this stuff.
Yeah, that was totally designated to hold a media cabinet. Anytime you put wire shelving in, each row of shelves must have 9,000 holders. I'm gonna have so many holes in this wall, these walls to fill. It is crazy all the way up. It'll be worth it in the end, especially when it goes to that wall. Just like that, the hole has a patch, and we'll get it all mudded and blended in. Good job, Grandpa. Just one more piece and bammo. There is extra floor downstairs. Get that all patched up, you'll never know. Alrighty, it looks like he got all the drywall inside of here. Coming along, it's gonna be a pantry of my dreams. Just like that, not really. We have a coat on each side of the pantry shelf boards. This is gonna look so cool. And we're waiting for a snowstorm. It's snowing right now, but nothing big. Just gonna be super cold. Look at that. The lines have been drawn. Next up, shelves. Woo! We have the first shelf. And there will be 5 more. And he's gonna put the rest of the brackets in. This is so exciting. This is one of the big reasons I moved here. One extremely cool thing about this pantry right outside of my kitchen that you couldn't see before is it's on a, what is that called? It senses you walking in, you never have to turn the light on. We got it all in here. Mostly it's organized with like with like. I was shocked that it took up as much space as I could. This is also our bug out food week. That's what we call it. It's extra food. Ever since the pandemic, we keep extra food on hand. But here it is. I still have plenty of room to grow into also. And I am so excited to spend the next probably a year straightening it all out and tweaking it at random to fit our family's style and taste. Hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, I am gonna paint the island of my dream kitchen in my dream house overlooking my dream yard. See you on the junk side.